understand it's a big investment. We need this factory to be up and running.
Dzombe is an investor who is showing interest in the production of fertilizer in this country, but he's been complaining about the lack of interest by the government to support him so that he can start operating in this country. This has been a lot of talk in this country because Malawians are wondering why such a big investment, which is as well very important and crucial to the development of this nation, is not being supported by the government. But now the Speaker of National Assembly is now showing interest in this issue, as the issue now has reached the Parliament, and the Speaker of National Assembly is asking all people involved in this to meet with the Speaker so that they can map the way forward, so that in this country we can have a fertilizer production factory. This is a very crucial and important factory that can turn around the economy of this country, because as a country we are importing fertilizer, and this is costing this country a lot of money. And if we have this locally, like we are producing fertilizer in this country, as a nation we are going to develop. Let us support this initiative. Now there is a video I would like you to watch whereby the Speaker is speaking about this thing. Let's support this investment. It's a good investment idea that can change this nation.
The Speaker could give guidance on these issues. I did speak earlier on the issues of bureaucracy. I think all of you agreed with me that if it wasn't for the bureaucracy that is happening in our offices, this country could be way ahead. Honorable members, I'm talking for an informative view. I have been the chair of our Agriculture Committee for six years, and I know the agriculture sector in and out. Fertilizer is not a luxury. It's a must that as a government we should have our own plant. And I wanted to agree, of course, those that said that maybe the procedures were not followed. But at the same time, I'm failing to understand why as government did we not help. There was an honorable member who said that you need to follow procedures. But I want to assure you, honorable member, that even if you tomorrow want to bring a bill in the House, our secretariat will assist you. Whether that bill will assist Parliament or not, but it's their job to assist you, because we want to be progressive. In this case, issues to do with environment, waste management and all, according to the minister, were sorted out. And maybe the investor, being the first time, needs guidance, needs government assistance. But at the same time also, I want to talk to you big politicians. Stop commenting on this issue. The moment you comment on this issue, you are politicizing it, and you are affecting that investor. It doesn't matter where he comes from. We want fertilizer. We're using Mikozo. There was no issues of waste management then. So can we please be progressive? My ruling is that we're going to have a 3-joint committee: agriculture, trade and investment, natural resources. To go within a week, I need a report. They should report to Parliament. This is not about politics. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. But we need to go there and understand it's a big investment. We need this factory to be up and running. Do not politicize Mr. Dzombe. He's not a politician. He's an investor. So I'm directing that the Secretariat take note, 3 committees, joint committee. I would like to see the chairs in my office tomorrow. We find a way forward. Even if it's me to go, I'll join them to go and see what is on the ground. As I said, I've been the chair for Agriculture Committee. I know there's a cartel that also works behind this, and we're not going to allow that to happen. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would like to ask you to subscribe my channel and to leave a comment as well as to like this video. I believe as a country we are moving forward. We need to support local industries in this country no matter what. If we would like to develop, local industries are very important for development of this nation because they are going to work for the people, not for profit or not for personal enrichment. So, Napoleon Dzombe, I believe now this issue is going to be put to rest as the National Assembly is interested in this thing, and you have been assured that this thing is going to be followed up to the end so that as a nation we can have a fertilizer production factory in this country which is going to transform the agricultural industry in Malawi. More especially local farmers are going to be accessing fertilizer locally at a cheap price, and this is going to help as well to make the economy of Malawi to be much more stronger. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.